We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting and often confusing words in English, so make sure to stay tuned for those. How do you say it in British English? Because the American pronunciation is different. This is said as button, button. In American English, however, it is normally pronounced as button, button. In American English, button versus button in British English. And now you know. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Could you hear the difference? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. More videos here on how to pronounce more words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. Do you know how to pronounce those correctly? You will after watching this. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.